Take off.
Yep.
Manual progress, arrest, auto thrust.
Checked. Thrust set. 100 knots.
Checked.
V1. Rotate. Positive glide.
Gear up.
Gear up.
Nav.
Checked.
Autopilot 2.
Checked.
Thrust climb, climb at a thrust.
Checked.
Flaps 1 please.
Speed checked. Flaps 1.
Flaps 0.
Speed checked. Flaps 0.
Set standard.
Standard cross checked. Passing flight level 048. Now.
Checked. Okay, door after door. If cabin pressure were to be flight level 100 meia hora. Clear door. Clear door. Status. Cabin cabin pressure vertical speed flight max flight level 100 meia hora. Remove status.
Remove status.
Connection is completed. Let's prepare everything. Probably we're gonna return to Rio de Janeiro. Cabin pressure vertical speed we have plus 500 and we are level flight, so probably we have the door is open and the cabin pressure is rising. So we will need to request to return to Rio de Janeiro. Here we're gonna use flight plan, alternate, Sierra Bravo Romeo Juliet, search. Let's activate this alternate, enable an alternate, search. Let's maintain the heading 340. Rio de Janeiro, we're gonna use RNP Whiskey 02 right, RNP AR via Gelut, return, search. Let's fly direct to Gelut, confirm.
Confirm.
Let's make a hold over Gelut, hold it over Gelut is 088 with right turn, search. The minimum altitude in the detector is 6000. Let's start our descent to 6000. Vertical speed minus 500. Set QNH.
QNH cross checked. Passing 9200. Now.
Activate approach phase.
Approach phase activated.
Pena.
De cabine ok. Bom pouso.
Very good. Our landing weight 5.51 plus 4255.1. We're gonna use flat flow, max manual braking 55.1. We have 1133 feet of landing distance. We're gonna select auto brake medium, but we're gonna use max manual braking. Flight plan progress, Bravo, Juliet, Romeo, Juliet 02 right. Performance for the landing 110 with 223, 10120. 020. The minimum for this procedure is 305 knots. 305 feet. This is our NPR procedure arrival, so general confirm flight crew qualification. We have verify rain alterations of OFP. We have check mail dispatch impact. No dispatch impact, only the door that is not using any performance penalty. Check your SIG if applicable, and we're gonna insert the engine out SIG on the second flight plan for the landing. Requirement pigments are to be required. We have everything working. Note: the flight crew not expected to check the equipment list before approach. When a CAM or local actions occur, the crew should use the list to confirm the landing capability. For Santos Dumont, the operative system that we need to have is everything related to engines, spoilers, brakes, flight controls, but we have nothing about doors. That is the issue that we have. Doors after cargo door. So we are able to continue to Santos Dumont. Caution: in case of any failure during or engine out, do not start an NPR procedure. If any failure occurred during the procedure, perform Mr. Approach procedure. After Mr. Approach, flight crew shall check the required equipment for RNPR capability in order to decide whether another attempt is possible. Descent preparation, read up, deselect, so data, position monitor, NavX, region nav deselect, done.
Checked.
Descent, GPS primary on both finals. Okay, we have GPS primary on both. Progress, GPS primary and accuracy high. GPS 1+2 check both in nav. Data, GPS at least both in nav. Terrain on and D on both sides. 1. and 2. Initial intermediate approach frequency, barometric rest setting or check to verify guidance required massage barrel setting. The maximum accepted difference between altimeters is 100. We are almost reaching Jalud. 020, 6000, 6000, less than 100 feet difference. Autopilot keep on. For RNP approach 0.3, autopilot must be engaged. After landing, logbook report. After every RNP arrival, standard technical logbook is mandatory. Follows RNP departure will performed. Okay, we're gonna do that on the logbook. Okay, for the airport briefing here in Santos Dumont, we have terrain, hot air balloons, narrow approach, ships and boats, general aviation, and birds. We're gonna maintain visual separation from all of them. For the narrow, we're gonna use the Santos Dumont operation. We're gonna no need to read the narrow options. General aviation, we got gas blue. For ships and boats, we're gonna maintain the visual and the minimal altitude, and we're gonna stay out of this threats. Crosswind is in the minimal condition. For landing, do not pass 1 nautical mile from visual approach runway 20. Operation runway 02 procedure. Waypoint minimum 1000 over Praia Botafogo. Frequencies for runway procedures. Restriction for we are arriving RNP Whiskey runway 02 right. IR departure arrival. Final course is 1020. We are descending on 2305. 305. The missed approach procedure will be after HeadTracker 901, 902, Evir to hold. 901, 902, and Evir to hold. Climb to 5500. Mr. Fuel time to alternate. In Galleon, we have 2.9. Guidance for approach will be our nav procedure with up final approach. Landing flap full, stop margin of 113 meters. Max reverse, soft brake medium. We are planning to leave the runway on taxiway alpha, and then we're gonna stay on probably on remote 16 or 17. No special operation, nothing on standard procedures. Ladies and gentlemen, from the flight deck, unfortunately we have a small issue with our cargo door, so we're gonna return to Santos Dumont. As soon as we have any kind of information, I will update you with more information. Thank you for your attention. Sorry for the issue. Okay, let's exit the procedure. Flaps 1.
Speed checked. Flaps 1.
Tripulação, preparar para o pouso.
Remove status.
Remove status.
Our final approach fix is Romeo Juliet is 802, and the altitude there is 1540 feet. 1600. Descent out to Magenta, 4800 Magenta. Flaps 2.
Speed checked. Flaps 2.
Speed selected. 160. Final approach.
Checked.
Set approach altitude 5500. Gear down.
Gear down.
Manage speed.
Checked.
Flaps 3.
Speed checked. Flaps 3.
Flaps 4.
Speed checked. Flaps 4.
Landing checklist.
Cabin crew.
Advised.
ECAR memo.
Landing noble.
Landing checklist complete. Confirm.
Crest Redeemer. Autopilot off. Flight directors off.
Flight
We have an
directors
engine
off.
failure. We are 400 feet. We are
100
continuing.
above. 300. Minimum.
Continue.
200.
No actions.
100. 50. 40. 10. 5.
Spoilers. Reverse green. Decel. 70 knots.
Checked. Park Brake. Atenção, aguarde instruções. Nave 009, parando pista 02 direita. Connections. Engine 2 fail. Engine Master 2 off. Off. If damage, Engine 2 fire push button push. I think we have no damage. We have any 2, we have anyone running. Let's consider no damage. Engine secure. Stop it, gun. Can you confirm if we have any damage on our engine 2? Any kind of smoke or visual damage? Let's call the flight attendants. Okay, do we have any visual cues about our engine 2 if we have any kind of smoke damage or leaking? Clear engine 2.
Clear engine 2.
Air bleed. We have only one system providing a system for the cabin. Clear bleed.
Clear bleed.
Electrical. We have generator 1 and we have a APU available. Start APU. APU start. Clear electrical.
Clear electrical.
Status. Stop gun. Normal checklist. Don't fazer o after landing. The full flaps because maybe we have any kind of damage there. After landing checklist.
Radar and predictive wind shear system.
Off.
After landing checklist completed.
We're gonna do under relight. No. Operative systems. Spotter 2+4. Cat 3 dual. Reverses 2. Back 2. Main galley. Flaps is low. Cat 3 single only. Consider engine to relight. No, we're gonna not try to relight the engine. Remove status.
Remove status.
Connections completed. With the failures that we have, we can taxi out the runway, and we're gonna do that. We have the APU available. Okay, Azul 2009, request taxi to remote 16. Clear right side.
Clear left side.
Clear right side.
Clear left side.
And brake.